Hello students, now we will discuss about another two nouns, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Common nouns can be classified into two nouns, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. What is countable nouns? Countable nouns are name of things that can be counted. Very simple. They can be singular or plural. And what is uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are a name of things that cannot be counted and they don't have singular or plural form. For example, classroom, boys, chairs, cupboards, all these things, all these name of things can be counted and they can be singular or plural. That is singular classroom, but chairs plural. But curd, coffee, bread, sugar, cheese, milkshake, rice, all these name of things cannot be counted and they don't have singular or plural forms. Next, singular countable nouns always need an articles or words like my, your, this, which before them. For example, I have an apple needs an article. Every morning, apple is countable noun because it can be counted and we use an article before the noun. And uncountable nouns are usually liquids, grains, any feelings, abstract ideas, any natural phenomena, any name of things that cannot be counted. Next, remember some rules. Some nouns are always singular. For example, scenery, furniture, information, rainfall. These nouns are always in singular form. Next, some nouns are always take the plural form. For example, scissors, pants, glasses, spectacles. These nouns cannot be take the singular form. It's always take the plural form. Next, certain nouns are always used in singular sense although they have a plural form. For example, news, physics, athletics, crosswords. These nouns are always used in singular sense. Any kind of news, we call this news. Physics, a subject, although they have a plural form. Next, certain nouns are always used as plural nouns although they have a singular form. Opposite of previous rule. Example, cattle. These nouns are used as plural nouns but they have a singular form. Cattle, police, poultry, and lust. Some nouns have the same singular and plural form. Fish, deer, spacecraft. These nouns have the same singular and plural form. Now, read the sentences and write whether the nouns given are countable or uncountable. First sentence, how much cheese do you need? Cheese. Uncountable noun. We cannot be count cheese. Minu has friends all over the neighborhood. Friends. Countable noun. I like strawberry milkshake. Milkshake. Uncountable noun. They needed gallons of water to put out the fire. Gallons of water. Fire. Uncountable noun. Abbas always has orange juice in the morning. Orange juice. uncountable nouns. Dogs are faithful animals, countable nouns. Neelam eats brown rice 3 times a week. Rice, uncountable nouns. Delete all the old messages on your mobile phone. Messages, countable noun. That's for all.